Today we learn about pre-number concepts, big and small. Today let's learn about big and small. We have two balls here. Are they of the same size? No. Can we tell which ball is big? The first ball or the second ball? The second ball is big and the first ball is small. Now look at these two animals. It is an elephant and it is a deer. Are they of the same size? No. They are not of the same size. The elephant is big and the deer is small in size. We see two flowers here, a sunflower and a rose. Can we tell which is big and which is small? Yes, we can. The first flower, that is a sunflower, is big and the rose is small. So the sunflower is big and the rose is small. Now we have a brinjal and a potato here. The brinjal is big and the potato is small. We can also say that the potato is small and the brinjal is big. Next concept is full and empty. Now let's learn the concept of full and empty. Look at the two baskets. The basket has bread in it. It is full. And this basket has nothing in it. It is empty. So the basket with bread is full and the basket that has nothing is empty. Let's take a look at these two vases. Can we tell which vase is full and which vase is empty? Oh yes, we can. The first vase has flower in it, so it is full, while the second vase has no flower, so it is empty. Look at these two jars. This one is empty and the other one is filled with toffees. So we can say that the first jar is empty and the second jar is full. Now we have a look at these two glasses. We can see the first glass completely filled with water and the other is no water in the second glass. This means the first glass is full and the second glass is empty. Our next concept is fast and slow. Now learn about the concept of fast and slow. We talk about speed when we use the word fast and slow. This is a scooter and this is a bicycle. Which vehicle moves fast? To know which vehicle moves fast and which one moves slow, let's have a look at the speed of these two vehicles while they are moving. The scooter is fast while the bicycle is slow. Now look at this horse. Oh, there is an elephant too. On comparing the speed of these two animals, we can say that the elephant is slow and the horse is fast. Look at these two vehicles which moves on water. A rowboat and a motorboat. Out of these two, The rowboat is moved slowly, whereas the motorboat moves fast. Look how the snail and the snake are moving. The snail is moving slow and the snake is moving fast. Our next concept is hot and cold. Now learn about the concept of hot and cold. Here we have a cup of coffee and a cone ice cream. We can see the ice cream melting, and this means that ice cream is cold and the coffee is hot. Now we have the picture of a pizza and a glass full of juice. We can see the ice cube in the juice. This means the juice is cold. So the pizza is hot and the juice is cold. Look at the picture of the fire and the ice. The fire is hot and the ice is cold. We use the word hot when we talk about the summer season, and we use the word cold when we talk about the winter season. Our next concept is far and near. Now concept is far and near. We have a box, a purple balloon and a green balloon here. Can we tell which balloon is near the box and which balloon is far from the box? Yes, we can. A purple balloon is near the box and the green balloon is far from the box. There is a cow, a tree and a house here. The cow is near the tree but far from the house. We can see a chair, a boy and a girl here. The boy is near the chair and the girl is far from the chair. Here we have a box, a bag and a table. The box is far from the table and the bag is near the table. In this, the teacher is near the blackboard and the student is far from the blackboard. Now learn about tall and short concept. Now learn the concept of tall and short. Look at these two animals. We have a giraffe and a deer here. Are they of the same height? No. The giraffe is tall and the deer is short. Now we have a man and a girl. We can clearly see the difference in their heights. The man is tall and the girl is short. Look at the height of two trees. Here the mango tree is short and the coconut tree is tall. Now see two buildings. Look at them. We can say that the first building is short and the second building is tall. Let's know some more concepts. Let's find out in the front of and the behind. The girl is in the front of tree and the dog is behind the tree. Let's find out heavy and light. The basket of apple is heavy and the one apple is light. Let's find out up and down. Sun is up and the flower is down. Let's find out in and out. The orange is in the box and the apple is out of the box. Let's find out top and bottom. This boy is top of the ladder and this boy is bottom of the ladder. Thanks for watching.